Hey, it's Smart Spots with Spot On. Today I want to share with you some of my very best Chrome extensions that I use every day in prospecting. Whether it's an inbound or an outbound lead, it's always so important for you to do research before you reach out to someone. So one of my favorite, of course, is the HubSpot sales tool. With that, you can track if an email has been opened, what pages on your website somebody may have visited, all kinds of great information, a totally free tool. The next tool that I really love is called Datanyze. Now, Datanyze, you can gather information about a company, when it was formed, how many employees they have, what revenue they typically generate. You can find contacts from that website. You can find tweets, and you can find data like how much organic traffic they're getting, how many visitors to their sites, just all kinds of really great information to learn about that company before you reach out. And then finally, we all know what a great tool LinkedIn is for generating leads. But there's one that I love that goes along with it. It's called Linked Hub 2.0. And what Linked Hub does is if you find a prospect in LinkedIn that you think would be a good fit and you would like to put that into your HubSpot CRM, all you do when you have it set up is click on Update, and it will automatically create a contact property, a company. If you have that information, there's ability there for you to find their email addresses. Great tool, really time saving. The other wonderful thing about it is once you have that in place and you have that contact in your HubSpot CRM, and if you were to send a message to them via LinkedIn, it is going to be recorded inside your HubSpot CRM. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.